Alright, well, that's where I'm at, see. I was going to cover this up, but I made this like this to put it on there and screw it down, and I got the first screw going, and I was going to screw it all the way around and then make a little side piece for that. But the fact of the matter is that those screws right there were stripping out, and those are pretty long. See, I don't need it biting into the motor and then messing that up. So I've decided to forego that, and I'm going to probably put some sealant in around it. This is an outdoor box anyways, and none of it's touching. I mean, it's just got a little thin little bit right here, and if it doesn't, I'll take it down to where it does. But anyways, that's where I'm at. Now I got to do the top on this thing, and everything else is done. Now it's just the top, and then I've got to install it. So that's where I'm at.